Hi guys, it's Kyra, and today I'm going to show you my Plan with Love box I just got in the mail yesterday. I've already opened it. I had to show someone else what was inside, so I just wanted to let you know that I have already opened this, but I figured you guys might want to see what it's like inside. Just a heads up, my fingernails are yellow. I made turmeric chicken last night, and if you don't know, turmeric is a root spice, and it is bright yellow. It stains everything, clothes, countertops, and fingernails. So anyways, without further ado, let's get in here. It says fall in love with today on the box. I'm going to open it. It's kind of big, so I'm going to open it awkwardly and go around my camera. There we go. And you can kind of see this is what it looks like when you open the box. This was taped together right here. I just ripped it open a little so we could get inside. And this is what it looks like inside. So you won't be able to see the whole thing. So what I'm going to do is take one thing out at a time and show you all this stuff. Okay, so the first thing that we got are the red metallic rings. This is the main reason that I got this box because actually tomorrow, as I'm filming this, tomorrow is Valentine's Day, which is kind of cool because I'll be able to, in my memory keeper, go back and use some of the Valentine's stickers, but this is the main reason that I got it. I have an idea for this, so subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for what I'm going to do with these guys. They're very, very pretty red metallic metal discs. So cool. And you get 11 of them in case you want to do a big planner. These are so pretty. I love them so much, and I'm very excited for what I have planned with these. Like I said, subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out, because I'm going to put a video out on what I do with these guys. Oh, I'm sorry I didn't say this box was $34.99. You couldn't use coupons on it, and I'm not sure if they're sold out. I will check. If they're not sold out, I'll leave a link in the description box below if you guys want to look at it. But I'm pretty sure they're sold out. They were a limited edition Valentine's box, and it was $34.99, like I said. So now we're going to go over the stickers. It's just a small sticker pack. There's only 147 in here. It's called Love Life. We've got red metallic stickers up, or red foil stickers up front. Fall in love with today. Will you be my Valentine? Love Life. Really cute little hearts. Really cute flowers. More flowers. Some gold hearts. These are also foil. These ones are clear, but they're not foil. They're just like a red kind of, I don't know what to call this. It's like an orange red, but it's like the same color as the flowers. Cute little meal boxes with hearts coming out and like movie tickets. Say XO and love. XOXO stickers, little love mail stickers with a little heart. Fall in love with today. Enjoy the little things. A whole bunch of really sweet quotes. And that is all that is in the sticker book. So it's just a little bit, but it's enough to do a spread with, or enough to do like memory keeping, which is what I'm going to use it for. I'm going to go back and decorate. Next thing we got is washi tape. There's 7 in here. We got little XOXO, little pink stripes, pink and white stripes, slant stripes. Little red hearts. These are like florals, and it looks like they match the florals kind of that are in the book. Let me, yeah, they should be very similar to those flowers right there. Little black and white polka dots, which is awesome. This pink one here says love is in the air, and this one is just matching the hearts that are all throughout the sticker book. These little hearts right there. So I'll take these out. I have to do one more thing with these before I take them out, but I'll make sure and get footage of these out and put it right here so you guys can see what they all look like rolled out on a piece of paper. And then this is really cool. It came with a little silicone pouch. I saw all of the Happy Planner squad members opening these, and I didn't realize that it was silicone, but that's really cool. It's kind of like stiff and wiggly at the same time. It says enjoy the little things. It's really cute. Perfect size for like pens and washi tape, stuff like that. And then the last thing that it came with is this Do All Things with Love. It's not a planner, it's a notebook. So it's got the little miniature rings in like a pale pink that matches the flowers. And happy notes. We'll take this off so we can open it and I can show you what the dividers look like and what the paper looks like. So the first divider is the florals. Oh, it's on both sides. How pretty. And on the inside, we've got dotted lines, little hearts in the middle, and XOXO. I'll hold this up a little closer so you can see the dotted lines. Very cute. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I'm sure you saw, but the inside cover is black and white polka dots, and it has little white hearts here and there. So that's really cute. You can always take these off and turn them around so they're facing the other way. And you get quite a bit of paper in here, a bunch in the first section. Then this next divider says Love Life. It's baby pink with splatters of white, or else it's splatters of baby pink, I can't tell. And little hearts, and another stack of papers, same kind. And then this one is black hearts and a few little red scattered hearts. It's Enjoy the Little Things. It's very similar to the style on the silicone bag. And then lastly, another chunk of papers. And, ooh, there's something on here. And the back cover inside is black and white with little white hearts, and the outside is the florals again. So that's a really cute notebook. I have plans for that as well. And then I didn't show you this at the beginning, I might as well show it to you now. This is the card that you get that tells you all the things that come inside the box, and then it tells you, or share your happy. Show us what you do with your Be Happy box. Share with us using these hashtags. Hashtag Plan a Happy Life, hashtag The Happy Planner, and hashtag Be Happy Box. I think that's really cute and worth showing you guys. That comes in there. Anyways, that is everything that came in the box. Definitely worth $34.99. Honestly, just for these, it was worth a lot to me anyways, because I have a really cool idea for these that's personal to me. So stick around to see what that is. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see my future videos, don't forget to subscribe. See you guys. Bye.